people just stay tuned
Yeah, man.
to Yardstyle Life
Yeah,
because it have a lot to teach the universe globally, and it's all about life. Life, you learn every day. Anytime you stop learning life is when you die. So once you're alive, keep moving.
All right.
Never give up. And this is what the program, Yardstyle Livity. Yeah, consistency.
All right. Where can people find Mr. Balance now?
Well, people find Mr. Balance, 884-8176. That's my only number I ever use. And that number never changed. You understand me? So when you want to find me, 884-8176, I go like this, 884-8176, call the Herbal Digit. I'm the human mechanic. Don't panic. I'm responsible for the planet. So come talk to the Herbal Man. So talking to me,
So they're on Instagram too?
well, yes, everything is coming up. Because I just start between you, the Instagram will come and things. Because first you have to learn to master groundwork first. And I take my time because life is everlasting and I learn more and more every day. So the Instagram and them thing there, and the twins have set it up for me because them and they, I learn from them and them learn from me. So we are one family where if he made hurt him down, so I can move. If he made hurt him, I say come, him come.
All right.
So I saw the whole energy found with the twins.
All right.
Right? So love it, love the item, love the program, love the energy, and it's yard, style, livity, consistency, and creativity. Like, it's a creative force. A force that is a global energy that keeps the universe alive.
Yardstyle Live.